How to find a pet-friendly hotel on hotels.com. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how you can find a pet-friendly hotel on hotels.com. To find this is not difficult at all. Just follow me as I show you how to do so. The first step is to launch the hotels.com application on your device. Once you've launched it and you're brought to this page, I'm sure you can see a welcome address, a search bar, etc. Then the next step is to navigate through to the help section. And where is that located? At the lower part of the screen, you can see three icons showcasing home, bookings, and then accounts. So just click on account. After clicking on an account, you'll be brought to the accounts page. On this page, you'll see several options to write, such as personal details, work details, bank account, advanced settings, help, and legal information. So just click on that. Then, after clicking on that, you'll be redirected to another page where you see a menu. Okay. Now, this menu includes options like help, legal conditions, personal data, etc. Just click on help. And then you wait for the help page to load. Once it has loaded, this is how the help page looks like. And then the next step is to click on the search box. And in the search box, you ask your question. How can I find pet-friendly hotels on hall.com? And then click on search. Then you wait for it to load as well. Alright, you wait for the search results to load. Now, once it has loaded, you would see all of your similar questions here. So you can just scroll down and then see the one that appeals to you. For me here, it is a pet permitted in your hotels. So just click on it to read through in order to get an answer. And then you can now see the answer here, which says that in the reservation form, choose your destination. You can then specify additional criteria on the next page. And then from here, you can now specify. So if hotels are allowed in that particular hotel, if pets are allowed in that particular hotel, you would be informed, and then you can now go ahead and select the hotel. So that is how it works. All right. So for you to be able to book pet-friendly hotel, just follow the instructions displayed on the help page and carry it out. As from there, you will get your answer. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.